Hello.
Hi. Did you know that milk goes before
Bro,
cereal?
nitrogen monoxide cereal goes first.
Grr, why did you do that?
Bruh, 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 bruh.
This is a major problem moment. I couldn't find anything else to say. Yeah, this is a major problem moment. Chicken wings every day. When I die in Minecraft, it's a bro moment. When I die in Roblox, it's a bro moment. When I punch a Roblox again, bro moment. When I punch the Minecraft, bro moment. Oh! Yeah. So it's a bro moment when I go into the cave of Minecraft.